how you can drive, and it's not what you do, it's how you do it. So all the what we would consider bad habits, I have to get rid of them. Left at the lights ahead, do not touch the brake, not yet. Check your left shoulder, and then you get into the lane. Get off the brake. Now use the brake when you're in the lane. Now slow it down, and you're gonna have to stop the car behind the white line. If you follow that car into the intersection, it's a fail. You can't go anywhere now. See, only one car is allowed in the intersection at a time.
Okay.
Now in the real world, you'll see 2-3 cars in the intersection, but it's wrong. Only the first one is legal. The rest of them are illegal. Now for a test, if you had a car in the intersection and you creep up behind them, that's it. You're not getting your license. You must wait behind the white line until that vehicle ahead exits the intersection. Then if it's still green, you can enter the intersection. If they just exit and the light turns amber and then you proceed, you're breaking the law. So obviously on a test you fail, and in the real world, if there's a police officer, you're gonna get yourself a ticket. Okay, now watch. If we have a green arrow, then it means you go all the way. There it is. Go now, all the way. Now speed up, speed up, speed up. You don't lose momentum there. Alright.